All right, Dr. Kemp here, and I just finished cleaning this headlight on my 2007 Cadillac Escalade and coating it with the headlight coating solution here. So first I cleaned it 3 times with this cleaning solution, and then I did a medium coating with this headlight coating spray. And this is the one I'm working on. Of course, this is the new headlight. I would love for it to look like this, so that's what we're working toward. And would you say it's looking better, Gina?
Looking better.
All right, it's looking better.
Spent a lot of time on it.
Yeah, spent some time on it, but it's not looking as bad as it was. It was looking terrible, wasn't it? It was looking terrible. So we're waiting now for about 5 minutes. Let that sit for 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna spray it again. And then after I spray it once again, I'll let it sit for 24 hours. And we'll come back and see what it looks like. Then I'll be able to wash my car, and because you can't get it wet for 24 hours. All right, so until the next video, Dr. Kemp here. I'll be back after I spray it one more time, show you what it looks like before I call it a night. Peace out.